Hello everyone, this is Box the Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today is a happy day. Natalie's dress is finally ready. Subscribers of my English channel are pretty lucky. We're showing you this review right after the tutorials. The subscribers of my Russian channel saw it 2 months later. Our customers love Natalie. She always has a lot of work, so she didn't have any time for herself. She always says that there is no right time for sewing for herself. She has a lot of work. Anyway, when the dress was finally ready, she said that she was happy. Have a close look at the dress. We showed you how to make a pattern for it, how to cut it, and we also showed you the first fitting. Natalie made the fringe on the crosswise grain. She edged the details with a zigzag seam. The sleeves are lined. I remind you that we gathered the sleeve head a bit for the sleeves to be more loose. I remind you that there is a seam on the front. We inserted the flaps in it. The flaps were decorated with matching buttons. Have a look at the bottom. You can see the 2 types of fringe here. The purple one was made on the lengthwise grain, and this multicolored one on the crosswise grain. Natalie attached the second layer of fringe by hands. Let's have a look at the details decorated with fringe, sleeves, neckline. This one looks very beautiful. Have a close look at it. Flaps, bottom, this seam. It looks like a wrap over, but it's not actually a wrap over. The seam is stitched up from this point. This is basically a vent. I want every one of you to have a close look at the dress. I think that the dress is very beautiful. Natalie looks absolutely gorgeous. It took Natalie really long to make this dress, but I think that the result is worth it all. Some of my Russian subscribers thought that we either forgot about this dress or damaged it. No, we didn't. Natalie just didn't have any time for it. Natalie says that it's a perfect dress for autumn. We're so happy that it's finally ready. I'm also happy that Natalie found some time for herself. Have a close look at the details. The dress is very beautiful. We couldn't wait to show you this dress. The dress is lined. I'm not going to show you the wrong side because I showed you the cutting. There is a concealed zipper on the center back. I'm not going to unzip the dress because Natalie is shy. This Chanel style fabric is of a very high quality. It's pretty strong, and it's not hard to iron it. The best thing about it is that it's beautiful. Even though it took Natalie a lot of time to make this dress, she's happy with the result. The dress is not too complicated. It's just that Natalie didn't have enough time for it. Natalie can't wait to go somewhere in this dress. It's a pleasure. Natalie doesn't have enough time to sew for herself. I'm gonna tell you a secret. Her husband got tired of waiting for her to sew new dresses for herself, so he bought her several ones. Natalie is one of the best tailors of my fashion house. I love her not only for her talent, but also for her personality. I'm happy that she's ready to share some of her knowledge with you. I hope that we will sew something else for you. Maybe we should ask other people to sew for you while you are sewing for our customers. I want Natalie to look gorgeous. Turn around, please. Natalie looks amazing. She's always beautiful, but this dress makes her look even better. Natalie, let's be honest. Dresses don't make us look better. We are the ones who make dresses look more interesting. If you feel beautiful, you look beautiful. And if you don't feel good, nothing will help you look good. Natalie looks amazing no matter what she puts on. Same with me. We were really happy to show you this dress. We want to celebrate the fact that Natalie has a new dress. I wanted to learn to work with Chanel fabrics. I've already showed you a lot of different tutorials about them. Don't be afraid of experiments. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. We're Paukšte Irina and Natalie. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.